How to stop message requests on Instagram. In order to do that, you need to head over right here to your profile icon. Now, once you're in here, click on these three lines. And then click on the search right here and search in here for requests. You can also try to search in here for messages if you want. So you can see here the messages and story replies. Click on that and then you can see in here your message controls. Click on your message controls right here and then from in there you can see this. So as you can see right now, your followers on Instagram as well as other people on Instagram will be able to send you some message requests. So you can click on that in here and click on this don't receive requests. So click on this update settings and as you can see, this will also update the settings on others on Instagram. That way you won't be able to receive any message from people who will actually request a message with you. So that's how you stop message requests on Instagram. Hope we helped.